Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I am so very happy to see you back and I hope you are all well. Today's video is follow up by previous video. I'm going to link it at the end of this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make floral arrangement in resin using large embroidery hoop. And today I'm going to experiment with new way of securing hoop so that the first layer of resin doesn't seep. So right now I am adding some color to my resin because before I start to secure the hoop, I would like that resin thicken up a little bit. And this resin is going to be my background layer. Here I am transferring it to another cup because I would like to mix the color very thoroughly. And now that that's done, we're going to try and secure the hoop. So this time I'm going to secure the hoop with a hot glue gun. I have seen somebody else using this method, so I thought I will give it a go. If you like videos about resin and everything connected with resin, consider to subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my further future videos. So far everything looks fine. The glue is sticking very well to the mat and I'm feeling positive about this method. And yes, this mat is just the simple silicone mat that we use in our crafting room. And of course, I'll link it in my comment section. Alright, that's been secured. I'm pretty sure it has. Checking just 3 more times with my OCDs and with a tape cleaning off, taking off all the little dust particles and the sticky glue strings to make sure that the silicone and this area is all clean. And it's time to pour the resin. So at this point I noticed that my white is not enough as maybe you can see in here, you can still see the hot glue, and ideally you would want to mix resin that covers this part of your piece. So I had to go and mix some more resin. This is 24 hours later. As we can see, I have no seepage, but there is a strange ruffle and the white is not even. But I decided to go ahead with my flowers and try to fix this issue in the end. As you can see, I have prepared my flower arrangement and I have mixed a little bit of resin. This resin is serving to me as kind of glue where I stick the flowers to it and they stay in place. And all these flowers have been collected by me in the lovely Devon in United Kingdom. And now enjoy a sped up part of me placing the flowers. Okay, that's been done. I hope you enjoy this part. I could watch this part forever as I just love seeing how I arrange the flowers. Yeah. So here is the close-up and I am going to let it cure and then it's going to be the last layer and it is a clear layer. So here I have mixed my resin and it's really straightforward. Just pour it until it's full and let it cure. And of course, if some air bubble come up, then give it a little blast of torch to get rid of them. So here we have the next day. It's all cured nicely and now I'm going to remove it. And it comes off really easy. I'm really satisfied for that. No problem at all. And wow, look at that piece. Isn't it beautiful? I think I am in love. I just love it so much. And let's look at the back side. Yes, we have this ripple and you see the glue, hot glue. So of course, if you would like your background be transparent, then this option is not going to work. So my thought now is to sand it down and apply a top coat. As you can see, there is a little bit of plant sticking out. I still don't know the name of these dark grassy thingies, so maybe if you know, you could let me know. Thank you. And I am going to mix some white resin and fix the back as well. So here I am going to do just that. And here we have it. the finished end result. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely perfect. I hope you found this video entertaining and useful. Please let me know by leaving a comment. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Keep creating, and I see you in my next video.